Hello everyone. For this week's tutorial, I'd like to discuss the Sounds tab, which functions very similar to the Costumes tab. In particular, you have one sound by default. You can delete that sound, and you can upload new sounds. And there's also options to edit the existing sound. But because it is much less versatile than professional digital audio software, it is generally a better idea to edit sounds outside the Scratch engine, and then load the finished product into the engine, like you do with loading images as costumes. You can either upload a sound from desktop, which also says it has all files, but we would generally stick to WAV or MP3. Select a surprise, aka a random sound recorded by the developers. Record your own sound from scratch using your microphone, or pick and choose a pre-recorded sound instead of letting it randomly select for you. The Scratch engine is programmed so that if you make your sound too loud, i.e. to the point where it goes above the threshold given by the rectangle's height, then it will stop you from making it any louder and making the sound too distorted. However, I have reached the end of the sound options that quickly because it is basically identical to the costume options / menu I went over 2 videos ago. Join me in next week's tutorial where I will go over control, aka conditional blocks. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.